That means we help you essentially become better students. We don't do assignments for people, but we will help you understand your assignment. We will help you. You know, there's this idea that if you come and access academic support, then you must be dumb. So a lot of people come and they sort of look over their shoulder, but no one sees me go in. You know, they'll think this and that about me. But that's not what we're about. We're about helping you to make a better student. Yeah. So, if you're a B student, we will help you become an A student. If you're an A student, we will help you become an A++ student. Okay? We can do that for you. But we will not do your assignments for you. Venusi and I already have a degree. Okay? But we will help you get what you need. My boy Paolo over there, he's our community guy, Smart and Wait Paolo. So oftentimes, Paolo is the one who liaises with the community. He's out there visiting parents. If you need someone to have a talk with maybe some of your aina, then Paolo's our guy. He also works very closely in the trades area, and he's the one who helps give out trade scholarships to all the plumbers, the gas fitters, the builders, and all that sort of stuff. Okay? But you know what? Let me tell you, that if you come to Unitec, all these services are already paid for. You pay for it in your fees. So why not use it? We're here to support, we're here to help. What we're trying to do at the Pacific Center is build a sense of belonging, a sense of family, a sense of, I like to just hang out here with the other people that look and sound and laugh crazy like I do and do our assignments together. But we also like to work with our Māori cousins, A, because they're incredibly good looking, and B, because they've got wonderful resources. So one of the things we are doing is next weekend we are running an assignment retreat here for our Pacific students, where we will just get them, they will come, they will spend the day. All they have to worry about is spending quiet, quality time, busting out their assignments. The academic support will be here to help if needed. Otherwise, they do their thing, we'll ring a bell, they'll come and eat, then they'll go back and do some more studying, we'll ring another bell, they'll come back in again. Yeah? And hopefully, because our Māori cousins are our cousins, they'll give me a discount on the invoice that they sent me today. But any questions? Any questions?
Us and my sense of the academic support centre is also Te Puna Ako. So there's 3 support centres you have. Really encourage you to use it as your first chance.
The idea is, if you get it right in your first year and you access the support, then you're on your way in. Research shows that if you engage somewhere in your first year of tertiary study, you are more likely to persist to the end. Yeah? Doesn't matter what you engage with. If you engage with something, it's the Whaiaki program, Maya, Ukega, Pacific Center. If you engage somewhere and find your little place, you will succeed. Any questions? You're just hungry. Are you recording me, Liz?
No.
Liz is one of my lovely students that I'm